What are you doing here again? I'm getting the feeling that something's gonna happen.
Are you Warren Beckwith?
I am.
I've got a challenge for you.
Okay. Warren's challenge. So, Mr. Beckwith, you think your new Aston Martins are explosive. Where's this going? How do you fancy handling something really explosive? The carpet doctor. How can that be explosive? Do I need my race suit?
Yes.
So I've just had a phone call from the carpet doctor to be at Peel Breakwater for 12 p.m. I hope this isn't me cleaning carpets or something like this. I don't understand. Anyway, we'll see. This better be exciting. And what's it? Must be speedboat? I mean, I don't understand what it's got to do with carpets. Or they're going to get me cleaning carpets on a speedboat. Anyway, it's a lovely day, so if it is on a boat, great. What could it mean? Explosive power. And what's it got to do with the Aston Martin? I'm actually really dreading today. Last time they got me on a horse, I couldn't walk for 3 weeks, probably even longer. In fact, that still hasn't ended well. I hope I'm not on a horse again. Right, guys have arrived. Galaxy Fireworks, Keep Out Live Pyrotechnics. I can't do this. You don't understand. I was 3 years old and had a firework go down the back of my coat. I don't know what you've got me into, but explosive power. Right, where is this carpet doctor? Stuart?
Warren, glad you could make it today.
Yeah.
Suppose you're a bit confused regarding carpet doctor.
Yes.
That's my day job. This is my other job, fireworks. And today, you will be preparing, setting, fusing, and eventually at 7:30 tonight, you will be firing Peel's firework display.
How close am I supposed to be to these things?
Don't you worry about that. We will look after all of that for you.
So you give me this challenge.
Yep.
So I've brought something very explosive.
Yep.
Obviously talking about carpets, I didn't know how the explosive bit was going to work. And I'm here with the Aston Martin Vantage, which is 503 brake horsepower, which is 0 to 62 in 3.4 seconds. There's power to weight ratio and it's balanced. So what have you got?
This is where the explosive comes into it. This is a 7-inch...
What's that, coconut?
This is a 7-inch aerial shell pyrotechnic. It will leave this mortar from the ground to the top in under 1/10 of a second at 350 miles an hour. You will be setting this, you'll be fusing it, you'll be helping us put it in place. There's not one of these, there's 3 of these, along with another 370 shells going off in the show. Right, Warren, a bit of health and safety. Those shell banks that I just showed you out there, what we do is we're at the stage now where we're loading those, okay? So this is where the issues start to arise. Once we've loaded them in, they now become a projectile, okay?
Yeah.
So they're not just a firework now, they're a projectile that will fire out at 350 miles an hour.
Right.
Okay, the only way they're going to fire out is if they get an electric current. You'll see a lot of these are rails, and there'll be wires coming out of them, okay?
Yep.
Now then, this is what's going to transfer the electric from this, which is the firing module. Once this is attached to this, the risk goes up. So the main thing, one thing I'm telling you, you do not lean over those shell banks. Generally at all.
Trust me, I don't even want to be near them.
Well, you are going to be near them. So either me or Mark will be shadowing you, or we'll be with you. Okay. They're both fully qualified British Pyrotechnic Association Level 2 senior firers, and we're going to look after you.
It's such a beautiful day. I can't believe you've got me doing this. I thought it might be going out on a boat. When I saw the rib by the side when I came in, I thought, hey, that's going to be a bit of fun. Let's just see how this goes. Well, it's dark outside now. I've been here all day and I'm freezing. Anyway, I'm going to push the buttons tonight and the Peel firework display will be launched by me if I'm not in a quivering mess in the corner.
And it's all safe.
Press 1 to fire, yeah. We're past this stage now, right?
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's off. And we're done.
A bit of therapy session. Thank you.
Fantastic. Having you on site, mate.
It's been a privilege, and I honestly, as much as it's frightened the hell out of me, it's been an absolute privilege.
You're welcome on any of our sites, anytime.
But thank you. It's been, yeah. Well, that's probably, it doesn't mean I'd go and buy fireworks, so. But it, yeah, took my breath away a bit. I've got to say, I'm actually shaking, but it has actually relaxed me a little bit around fireworks. However, I'd like to drive something. You know, it's all very well these different challenges that are coming at me, but I'd like to drive something fast. You know, but that was interesting today. Really interesting, and I feel really honoured and privileged to have actually set off the display. I'm going.